Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I will be reviewing and demoing the Patrick Ta Major Beauty Headlines Matte Suede Lipstick in Oh She's Single. So if you are interested, continue to watch. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's jump into the review. Okay, so I'm coming to you with a full face beat. I just wanted to review this lipstick. I've had it for a little bit and just haven't had a chance to film a video. So let me just talk about a little of the information about this lipstick. So this is the Major Beauty Headlines Matte Suede Lipstick. And this is in the shade Oh She's Single. Let me make sure I don't have any handprints on the packaging so I can show you guys. And this, I picked this up at Sephora on Sephora.com, and this retails for $32. And look at this packaging, so pretty. It's very luxurious. He's got his logo or his initials embossed in the lipstick. So when I seen this, I really wanted to try it out. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand here, so we can talk about it. And this lipstick is very creamy, and this is what it looks like on my hand. So I'm gonna do just a regular swatch on my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite lip liners to blend it in. I have tried this on. It is a little bit light, but lipstick can fix it. So let me just zoom you in a little bit so you can see on my lips. So she is very pale. And I'm not gonna leave it like this. But I just thought this lipstick would be really a nice nude for me. So this is what it looks like, and I won't leave this on long. I'm just gonna take that off and put my lip liner of choice on there. I'm gonna dab my lips. Let's see, oops, that's not it. I'm just gonna go in with MAC Chestnut and line my lips and then put that in the center. Let me sharpen this a little bit. Ooh, is it showing? Ooh, that should be showing. Sharpen this a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I just pretty much really try to fill in my lips with the chestnut as much as possible. Like you've seen with that swatch, this lipstick is a little light, but I'm gonna make it work with lip liner. And I believe the lip pencil is a little bit darker. I think when I picked this up, I just assumed the lipstick was gonna be the same shade as a lip liner, but Let's see. I just want to make sure that looks, yeah, that looks good. So I will say this lipstick is very creamy, it's very comfortable. It feels good when you put it on. It's very blendable and smooth. And as you can see with Chestnut, that really just gives me a nice light brown nude. And I can just top it with a gloss if I want, or I could just leave it like this. But I'm a gloss person, so I just love a little gloss on top. And this is e.l.f.'s lip lacquer in Bubbles. I just put on top. I really like this lipstick. I'm gonna see. Let me see if I have some other lipsticks that are similar. Just boo. Let me see. I have Velvet Teddy here. I just did a lip, my favorite nudes lip combo video. I'll link it in the cards recently. So I have Velvet Teddy next to me, and Velvet Teddy on me is like a pinky nude. And this Oh She's Single is more like a corally nude, I guess, if you can tell, or like a peachy nude. But both of them, you definitely need a lip liner. This is a lot more cooler than Velvet Teddy. But they definitely can be pulled off. If your skin tone is similar to mine or a little bit darker, you can always make something work for you. A deep lip pencil, or like I did, you know, you don't have to put the whole lipstick on your whole mouth. Just do a little bit in the center and just blot and put a gloss on and let it mix in, and it looks good. Like this looks really good. My lips look juicy, super light, so I have to make sure I put a lip pencil with it, but I do like it. $32, so it's a little bit more expensive than a MAC lipstick. We're all used to those. So here is the final lips with the Patrick Ta She's Single Matte Chestnut, and then I use e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer and Bubbles on top. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below if you like reviews like this from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.